Hello, my name is Prem Ranjan. I am a fellow at Alpha AI. In today's short video, we are going to use the US Superstore dataset and we'll try to build different scenario and validate the same to address the problem statement, which is to achieve a 25% growth in sales in any given region of United States compared to the last year. Without further ado, let's get into the analysis. We'll click on this green Go button to start the analysis. On clicking, you'll see the first step is to select the different parameters to do this analysis. Let's click on that. It will bring up a selection panel wherein you can select the different regions, different product subcategory, and different growth strategy to achieve our desired growth target. Let's click on the second step, which is to review the historical trends. It will bring up a number of charts which will show you the distribution of subcategory sales across different regions by their quantity sold and also the discount offered for that particular subcategory in a particular region. Now let's make some selection to start the analysis. We will choose the West region for our analysis. On selecting the West region, the data will be sliced based on the region selected. Looking on this chart, we can clearly say the chairs, the phone, the table, and the copiers are doing well in terms of sales. However, the discount offered on tables and the quantity sold are not that great. And upon further analysis, we decided that we will go with chairs, copiers, and phone as a subcategory of product for this analysis, and we'll try to achieve a growth target of 25% for the next year. Moving on, let's select chair, copier, and phone. This will update the chart accordingly. Now let's go into the step 3 to review what are their current performances. Clicking on the review current performance, you will see that the total quantity sold across these sub-product or the subcategories is 895 with an average discount of 1833 and the average price of $419. Also, given the historical trend, we expect a forecasted scaling of 9.94%, which is without much effort, the business is expected to do well in the next year up to the tune of 9.94 or 10%. Let's move on to the next step, which is to applying the strategy. So we'll go back to our selection panel and we'll select normal growth. Considering all factor remaining constant, we'll go with the normal growth options and we will go and apply the strategy. On applying the strategy, you can see that if you go by a normal growth strategy, you will be growing by 14.55%, which is well below our target of 25%. And you can see the various number, discount, and prices, how it has to change to achieve these numbers. So let's go and see if the moderate growth gives any better. Yes, it does. It goes up to 20%, but that is also under our target. Let's move to aggressive growth. And wow, now we are at 26.91%, which is slightly above than the growth that we were expecting. And adding some buffer for any unforeseen circumstances and scenarios, this number looks great in terms of our desired growth target. So with that, you can play with this dashboard and select different subcategory of product, different growth strategy, different reason to come up with your analysis. And at any time, if you feel like you have done a mistake, you can just click on this reset button and go back to the first stage. So we'll quickly go over and do it for another region. We'll go for first step. We go into this, we review the results, we go into the review current performance, We're going to apply strategy. We select aggressive growth, and then we go to apply strategy, and we see the value forecasted growth for the next year. And at the bottom section, we can see what are the different states we need to focus. So California, Washington, Colorado are the areas where the products are doing really well. We can look for different avenues to sell more product in those regions. We can also focus on states like Idaho, Nevada, and New Mexico, where the sales has not been great for this subcategory of product. And we can see what is going well in the green states and try to replicate the same in the red state. And that will help us achieve our target growth. So with that, I will wrap up this short video. I hope the video was informative. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. See you next time. Bye.